Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will teach you how to make your Facebook account completely private. If you want to keep everything on Facebook private so only your friends can see it, I'll show you how to lock down everything and make it super private. This means nobody else, even if they're your friend, will be able to see anything on your Facebook account. So let's hop into Facebook here, and I'm going to tap on menu at the bottom right here. Now at the top, right, you can see that gear icon. I'm going to tap on that. And you can see if I scroll down, we'll want to go into a lot of these different settings under audience and visibility. So the first one is how people can find and contact you. Let's go into here. Under all of these, you can see if any of them are set to anything except only me. You're going to go in here and you're going to make it as restrictive as possible. So friends of friends. Here in all of these, we'll want to set it to only me who can see your friends list, all of this stuff. Do you want search engines to be able to see you? Let's turn that off as well, so let's go back. You can go into posts here. And I recommend choosing this limit. Who can see past posts and tapping limit pass? Post this will prevent any of your previous posts. If they were public from being private, basically changes all of those old posts to being private, so let's go back again. You can do stuff like followers and public content. Make sure all of these are set to as restrictive as possible, so all of these you're just going to turn to friends, or only me. Again, profile and tagging, let's go in here. Make sure all of these instead of friends are set to only me who can post on your profile, who can see what others post on your profile. Basically lock down the restrictiveness of all of this different stuff. Now, after you go through this entire list and turn off everything, the key is to make sure that everything is not visible to other people, so you can check that by going back, tapping on see your profile at the very top. And now let's tap on those three dots to the right. You can hit the view as, and the nice thing is that Facebook shows you exactly what your profile looks like to a stranger. And you can see on here, it doesn't show any posts, shows my profile picture and my cover photo, my album photo, whatever, but it doesn't show any of my posts, any of my information, anything like that. Hope this video helpfully for you. Have any questions on that? Leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.